It is an apiary for honeybees. From a distance, you may think all the hive are colonized. But what's funny here is that we are standing in the waterlogging space that is dangerous to the environment. This showed that the apiary was wrongly placed here. In this area, bees may experience higher rates of illness, like chalk brood, if their hives are frequently subjected to wet conditions. That is why we conduct site visits to enable and identifying the best site for the apiary house. God created bees for several key purposes. Bees benefit the ecosystem by acting as vital pollinators for a vast range of plants, from crops to wild trees and flowers, which is essential for reproduction and the creation of seeds, fruits, and nuts. In ancient Egypt, the hieroglyphic symbol for the bee represented power, wealth, and authority. Today, we are bringing you our 23rd apiary house for honeybees. The reason why we revolutionized apiculture is because of space, security, production, management, and restoring the honeybee. Our way of constructing an apiary must start from paperwork to help us understand all the elements of design. This will help us to get the exact elements of beekeeping. Our apiary design is divided into 4 sections. That is, the roofing, the walls, flooring, interior, and the trench. This section is where you put hives for sorting or a waiting space. This is a new element we have come up with and makes the apiary look professional and complete. Let's take a tour. We see the flowers around this apiary. For understanding purposes, flowers provide bees with nectar, a carbohydrate-rich liquid for energy, and pollen, a protein-rich substance for the developing larvae. Brightly colored flowers, especially those in blue and purple shades, along with pleasant scents, attract bees and signal to them that food is available. Without bees to facilitate pollination, many flowering plants would be unable to reproduce, leading to a decrease in floral diversity and the production of food. Our apiary is situated on the fruit and farming fields to increase the pollination rate on the farm. Why do you find bees' death in the hive? Bees die as a result of using pesticides and herbicides chemicals in our farms. How do pesticides affect honeybees? The holy habibepticides harm bees by directly killing them or through chronic, sublethal effects like impairing navigation, learning, and reproduction, leading to colony decline. This is how you can save bees from pesticides. Grow bee-friendly plants in your farm. Don't buy products that contain neonics. Always join the Bee Action campaigns. In this farm, we advise the client not to apply harmful chemicals to the fruits and coffee. Just a reminder, our 25th apiary is coming out well from Namanga. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Let's continue on this apiary number 24. This apiary is projected to carry 70 hives. The inside of this apiary is finished with dry concrete below the hive bed, and the walkway is cemented to ease the movement inside the building. Like in our previous apiaries, all the hives must face outside to ease the movement of the bees. Our trench is fed with clean water to act as a barrier for crawling insects like ants and rodents. Sometimes the trench is filled with the rainwater automatically. In case you realize some bees are drowning in the water, please add small pieces of wood to act as floaters to bees to step on. This trench also will be a source of water for the bees. This will reduce the time bees go for water when it is far. In some apiaries, we put fish inside. On the walls, we have used stronger chain link. The chain link is fixed to the ground to prevent the hives from the attack of honeyburgers. In some cases, we fence the boundaries with the wire mesh to prevent domestic animals from getting into the apiary area. Since our apiary is near to the small road, we have covered the apiary with clear sheets to act as a soundproof from passing animals and people. Thanks for watching and encouraging us to keep you informed. If you have not subscribed, please consider to click on subscribe button and turn on the notification button.